Ano na ng ano dito, lampas na ng university. Dito na tayo, maraming estudyante. O, tignan. Oh, we're going back. Oh, marami na namang mangga. Ayun, abot. Naabot ang mangga. Pero bawal mamitas. Yan, ang baba lang. There's flower, Arabella. Yan, oh, daming bunga. Mangga ulit. Bakit pula ang Indian Mingo dito? Kulay pula, parang mabulo. Ewan ko kung hinog yan o ano. Oh, there's Carabao, Arabella. Let's see the Carabao. Did you see the Carabao? Ayun, oh. You see the Carabao, Arabella? There, oh, Carabao. The very big Carabao. You see the Carabao? Baby? Have you seen the Carabao? A very big Carabao. You see the Carabao? There is the Carabao. Where? Picturean natin yung Carabao. It seems it's dark. We'll make it brighter. Where's the Carabao now? There's the Carabao. Wow. Oh. Carabao. Here, there. Carabao. There, oh, there, Carabao. You see the Carabao? That's a Carabao. Oh, very big Carabao, right? Oh, that's a Carabao. That's a Carabao. Bye-bye, Carabao. Bye-bye, Carabao. Yeah, that's Carabao. The students here are planting something. They have plants to take care of because this is a state university. There, oh, they are planting because this is a state university. The students there are taking care of the plants. They're cultivating, watering, and taking care of their plants. There are vegetables. I can say pumpkin, tomatoes, eggplant, and so on. There they are. We're going back in the village. Oh, don't drop the water. Give me. If you drink, you ask me, okay? You see that?
Tawa yun.
Babalik na kami guys. Medyo malayo-layo, right? Umikot lang kami yun. Inikot namin yung university pauwi sa bahay. Kasi ito is a housing of MMSU. Mariano Marcos State University Housing. You see the dog, baby? There's a dog there. There's a black dog. Can you see the dog? Dog is in the street, a black dog. Oh, there's a cow there. Do you see the cow? Did you see the cow? Look, there's a cow there. Oh, it's a cow. Where's the cow? Did you see the cow? It's a very big cow. Did you see the cow? Oh, cow. Hello, cow. Bye-bye, cow. Bye-bye, cow. The students are happy. Nagkakatuwaan silang naglalakad. Pauwi. Having fun. They are having fun. The students are walking happily. Oh, pauwi na yung mga estudyante na sa salubong namin. Do you still want to have bread? Where's your bread? Did you see the cat there, Arabella? Have you seen the cat? There, oh. You see the cat? There. See the cat, oh. Have you seen it? Seen the cat? Yeah. There's the cat. Very. Where is the cat? Did you see it? The cat? There. He's walking, looking for food. I cannot capture the cat. Ah, he's hiding now. Let's go. The cat is hiding. Why? What's that? You're looking for your food? There. There. There are many flowers here. Oh. Ganda. Ganda dyan, oh. Daming bulaklak. Dito kami ni Arabella naglalakad-lakad araw-araw. Oh, you can see all those views every day. Presko dito. Maganda yung hangin. Maraming kakahuyan. What? What? What's that? Selfie! It's selfie! A selfie! Hmm? What? Where is it? Here.